How to turn off restricted mode on TikTok without passcode. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn off or disable the restricted mode on your TikTok account without using a passcode. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you can type in TikTok and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you're actually logged into your account. Now at the top, you can see currently it says restricted mode. If I actually show you back again, you can see it actually says restricted mode. Now in order to turn off restricted mode, what we can do is from the bottom right, tap on the profile button. As you tap on the profile button, we're going to be taken to our profile page. On the top right, tap on the three lines icon, and at the bottom you want to go ahead and select settings and privacy. Now first of all, in order to turn off restriction mode without a passcode, what we can do is simply tap on digital well-being, which is at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the digital well-being option and you can currently see that the restricted mode is currently on. You can tap on restricted mode right over here and then you can simply turn it off, but then you would actually have to enter a passcode. Now if you do actually remember your passcode, you can go ahead and simply enter it and then tap on next and then go ahead and actually try to turn off restricted mode. But then let's say that we actually don't know our passcode. Now you want to understand that there is no way to turn off restriction mode without using a passcode. But what we can do is we can actually try to at least reset it. So in order to reset it, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and also try to turn it on back again. Now let's say I actually just set a code. Now if you don't actually remember your passcode, now what I can do is simply come back and then I'm trying to show you how you can actually reset your passcode. Now tap on settings and privacy, again tap on digital well-being. Now tap on restricted mode and here you can see the option which says turn off. I'm going to tap on turn off or change passcode, any of these options. Tap on change passcode and then here it again says us to enter our current passcode. But then we actually don't remember our passcode, so instead what we can try to do is try to reset the passcode. So tap on forgot passcode right over here. And as we tap on forgot passcode, it says us to actually use the email number or phone number which is associated with our TikTok account. So you want to make sure you at least have any of these, then tap on phone number and then a code is actually going to be sent to our number. So I'm going to simply wait until I receive the code and it's going to automatically verify. And as you can see, now it says us to enter a new passcode. So now you can go ahead and simply enter the new passcode which you actually want to use to turn off the restricted mode on TikTok. So this was the way on how you could actually turn off restriction mode without knowing your passcode. You want to understand that you cannot turn it off without a passcode, but then what you can do is at least try to reset it. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.